guys, I am Cherka Puebla, and for today's video is aalis kami and celebrate kami ng birthday ko. Kakain lang kami sa labas. It's very simple lang because miss kami lahat. Dami naming ginagawa these past few days. Medyo maraming ganap and everything. So, kakain lang kami sa labas and well, document ko lang ang everything. So, this will probably be a silent vlog except for this part. So, yes. Bye! Buti nga di posporo eh.
Kaya dapat may timer. Ito ay timer mo nga. Oh, game.